What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today this is something that I've been waiting for since September 1st. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I did purchase the limited edition, numbered, which is one of the reasons I even wanted it, custom made, like Halloween themed polisher by Maxshine. So basically it's an M15 Pro, like this one. This is an M15 Pro. This is the M15 Pro G. So this is the green one. It's basically identical to it. Was there a reason to get it? Not really, except for the color theme. If you know me, you follow me, you'll know why I got it. So let's just show you what came in the box. Again, this was a first day, first release purchase, pre-order, limited edition. I think there's like 500 of these being made, so there should be some kind of certificate of authenticity card saying like the number of it. Let's open it up. It's called the Reaper. Look at that. See, they sent clothes, right? Here's my question. What size? What size did they send me? And how would they know? Well, they sent a size that will fit. Haha. So this is so cool. Look at this. The Reaper on the front. Very cool. Maxshine. This is a cool ass hoodie. I am excited about it. I am gonna wear it. So cool. Very, very cool. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting for this thing. Halloween edition. I've been waiting for this polisher for a while. Oh, look at that. Cool little like koozie thing. MaxshineCarCare.com. I've been patiently waiting for it. And it even has a custom theme matched polishing holder. Check it out. Look at that. Like blood splatter, the Reaper, and Maxshine. So, just so we're on the same page, I'm going to tell you what I ended up doing. Because this is going to be all on the wall here. I ended up getting a second one of these. So I'm going to have this one here, and I'm going to have another one singular for Maxshine right there, because I have two Maxshine polishers. I technically have a third, but it's a mini rotary. I'm not going to have a special custom case thing just for that. That wouldn't make sense. Is that a bumblebee? No, it's a fly. Comes with screws, which I'll probably use, but what I specifically did with that wall was I made it so that I could drill into 3/4 inch plywood, good quality plywood, not the cheap junk, and I would be able to attach anything without anchors. So that's quite a bit exciting. Oh, I'm excited. So we got a koozie, a jacuzzi koozie. All right, we're gonna put that there. Hold on. So without further ado, let's check out this polisher. I'm actually really excited. Obviously, there's nothing completely different about this performance-wise than the other one I have, but the theme is where it's at. So let's see what we get in this custom little box. Exclusive Reaper sticker and air freshener. Very cool. I wonder what it smells like. It's gonna smell like the Reaper. And here we go. It says certificate of authenticity. This is number 129 of 500. I can't imagine how that's possible, just to be honest with you, because I literally clicked purchase maybe 2 minutes after the release. So maybe they just didn't, you know, or maybe 129 of them went out to influencers first. I don't know, but it's early. It's early. I almost don't even want to get rid of the box. because that box is so dang cool too. But so get a load of this thing, the Reaper. Look at that, very cool. Got some spider web design here. Obviously it's very apparent why I picked it up. I'm obsessed with the black and red theme. I really like how they did this theme. Very cool. Little attention to details. I like it a lot. It's different. It's totally different than any polisher I have as far as the looks of it, and it's gonna look sick. It's gonna look sick on the Reaper. So we're gonna, I think it's gonna be awesome. I'm so pumped right now. So as with all Maxshine products, you're gonna get their cool little red bag. You get your tools and all this other stuff. I never use these. Some people do. I just don't. I'm obviously not gonna throw it out. But I just don't use it. I don't have a necessity for it. Let's turn this light up. Actually, it's a little bit better here, right? So last final look. Maxshine, the Reaper for detailing. Very cool. Matching your awesome setup here. I like Maxshine because, in my opinion, they're the closest to Rupes when it comes to this large face dial, the feel of it. It's a good feeling polisher. I really like it. I think the whole theme of it is pretty awesome. We got a certificate of authenticity. So we are 129 out of 500 on this limited edition. So there you go. That's what we got. And like I said, that's gonna go on the wall. And I've got a regular black one going next to it, which will house the green edition, which is also a special edition version, but it's not limited. I think they're gonna stop making them. So however many are out there, which I'm assuming quite a bit. Now I don't have any other M15s. I was thinking about getting an M21, but it kind of doesn't make any sense when I have the 21 on the Bigfoot. So yeah, that's what we got. But like I said, I'm obsessed with black and red. So, you know, what can I say? What can I say? Except for I'm obsessed with black and red. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this interests you, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. Tell me what you think about this polisher in the comments section. Pretty dang cool, pretty dang cool. I like it. I even like that they did the white here to match the face and on the bottom of the trigger. So that's pretty cool. Oh look, so very, very cool. I'm excited. I know some people are gonna say total waste of money, whatever. I like polishers. I think they're fun. It's like a hobby. I collect them too, and obviously use them, but I collect them. I still have my Porter cable from like 10 years ago. I like machines, and I like buying things and wasting money. So that's what it is. But thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If not, don't know what to tell you. I enjoyed it. So this is what we got, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hope everybody's doing well. My goodness. Spooky. Just so spooky. Who would I be if I didn't open this and sniff it? I don't know, it's got like this nice fruity smell. I like it. I definitely like it. Where am I gonna hang it? That's the question. Here's what we're gonna do. Because this one is old. We're gonna... Oh, my schmeggy. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Beautiful.